Hi everyone, I'm Dinah with DIY Inspired, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a cute little paper pop-out box, and all you need is 2 pieces of scrapbook paper. One that is 12 by 12 and a second one that is 11 by 11. For the bottom of the box, you will use the 12 by 12 piece of paper. You'll need a straight edge to mark your paper at 4 inches and 8 inches. Now go ahead and mark your lines, creating 9 boxes. You're gonna cut out the 4 corners with a pair of scissors. Now, I hate wasting paper, so I'm going to use these extra 4 pieces to decorate the inside of the box. And now you have the bottom of your pop-out box. Now, if you want, for the bottom, you can stop here, but what I like to do, it depends on who I'm going to give this gift to, so I like to decorate the inside even further. Now that we have the bottom of the box, we're going to make the top. So what you do is, and remember this is 11 inches and not 12. So you're gonna take your ruler with the overhang of a 1/2 inch on each side. Then again, like the top box, you are going to mark it at 4 and 8 on all 4 sides. I'm going to connect the lines. Next, we're gonna take our scissors and we're going to cut every other line just to the center box like this. After you fold in each flap, you also want to make a crease on each line in the center of the box. I like to use a combination of glue and tape to put my box together, but it's totally up to you. Both work very well. Here's what the top of the box should look like. Hold these flaps in together and tuck them into the lid, and there you have a cute little pop-out box. So you're ready for the big reveal? Dun 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 dun! Woohoo! Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's craft.